let's begin today's Mastermind webinar series number 7. Today's topic is one of my favorite topics, something that I'm very passionate about, and that is meditation and trading. It's funny that my journey into trading and meditation actually began at the same time. When I started to learn about trading back in 2014, I was also learning about meditation, and I think that meditation came first because I was going through a period of my life of a lot of anxiety, a lot of stress. And it was because I was working in sales 6 days a week, 10-hour days, and I was going out partying a lot, almost every weekend. There were times when I wouldn't sleep. There were times when I would just have a few hours sleep. So my lifestyle, I was just burning the candle on both ends. And eventually it just got to breaking point mentally, because it was just it just got overwhelming. And so I started to research ways that I can improve the anxiety and the stress. And that's when I discovered meditation. I just got fascinated by it from the moment I started learning about meditation and started practicing it on a daily basis. And I think I've been practicing meditation since then, since 2014, practically almost every day. I mean, the odd day I might miss it, but every day. And it's absolutely changed my life completely. When I started trading, I started implementing it into my trading process from the beginning. And I think that gave me a really good psychological edge. When I started learning about trading psychology and meditation came up, I was like, wow, this is something I do already. This is something that I understand. This is something that's helped my life in so many ways.